Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is a Saturday. We're going to be hanging out at the shop, doing a little bit of work to the 1 Series. So I got a few requests from people that have been asking to feature our shop car more on the channel. So you guys asked for it. That's what we will do. We will start featuring this car a little bit more often on the channel. Might do a couple reviews on it, do some videos, maybe get some track days in, do whatever will make you guys happy. We will do that for you. So right now you can't really hear it, but usually it's very, very loud. But I got a hamster wheel noise that comes out of here. I don't know if you'll hear it. Usually it's a lot louder than that, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna head on over to the shop. We're gonna swap out the pulleys, change the belt, and I realized that I also have a leaking oil filter housing gasket, so we're gonna do all of that as well. So that'll be all taken care of. Then we might go for a little bit of a drive and let you hear how the car sounds. Maybe do a couple pulls, but I'm not gonna tell you exactly what the car is built on, not built, but what is done to the vehicle and all of the modifications. That'll be a separate video that we'll do later down the road, specifically featuring for this car. So hang on tight, we're gonna head over and we're gonna get this car fixed up, hopefully within a couple hours. So we'll get the camera set up, we'll get the car inside and start working on it. We have to get that thing done by about 12 o'clock because we got some plans with the wife and kids. Still frosty. Right, so as you can see right there, this is a gasket that runs right inside there, so you can tell it's leaking oil. It's probably running down there and dripping all over that. So here we got all the goodies. Driving belt, got your other pulleys, new belt, oil filter housing gasket. This is what the one we'll be changing. So I get all my stuff from FCP Euro, so shout out to them. They do a great job of supplying us everything. So by the power of YouTube, we're just gonna go through, get all this done, and I'll see you back when the whole car is assembled, and hopefully we don't break anything and nothing goes wrong, which usually it does. All right, so we got the car outside. Everything went pretty smoothly. We'll see how she purrs. Sounds really good. Not hearing any weird noises. No more hamsters. Very nice. I went ahead and pressure washed all that oil down. All right, so let's get going. So we're here on the back road. We're gonna try to do a second gear pull and just see how the car runs. But this car does not have a limited slip differential, so it's just that E-locking diff, I believe what it's called. So it's very unpredictable. Sometimes it'll lock the two wheels and sometimes it won't. But we definitely need to get a locking differential on this car, especially with the amount of power that we'll be making. Hopefully by the summer for race season, we will definitely need a locking diff. Second gear. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoy that. We'll try to make some more content for you here later on.